Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Boxer app error 403. So let's get started. So first of all, we will just open the app. Okay. So if it shows the error, okay, then you have to just press and hold it here. Okay. Click on these I button. Then here you have to scroll down and search for the storage. Just click on the storage. Then you have to clear the cache memory and then it should work. So if it's not work, then you have to, if the error is not fixed, then you have to check for the update also. So we'll just open. So here we can see my app is working correctly. Okay, so if it's not work, then you have to open your Google Play Store and search for the Boxer app. Okay, so right here you have to click and check for the update. If it's been updated, then fine. If it's not, you have to update it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.